Welcome to the Durley Dean Hotel room tour. Now, this is a comfort double room. Um, it just goes over just around £100 per night, and it is classed as a four-star hotel with spa amenities. So this is just a little look into what you will get if you do purchase the room. So it has got aircon. As you can see, the bedroom is, I'd say, a decent size. Between bed and wall, you can just about fit. So nice sort of decor. I would say it's like 2000s, that sort of style. We have a little window there as well. Did not need the aircon whilst there. I would say it was still pretty, even though the weather was nice, it was still pretty cool in the room. You get a nice little 32-inch TV. Again, it's not smart, just to let you know, so you won't be getting your Netflix. However, you do have your Freeview channels there if you do want to keep up to date with a little bit of the news. Now, you do also have a little chair for you to do your hair. And we'll just go up to the window and we'll just take a little look here. So the view, if you like trees, it is perfect, but still a bit of building work and also a view of the road. But we weren't there for the road view, we were there for the beach. So I would say the time we spent in this actual room was very small. It was just more for just sleeping and just have a little bit of a chill, relaxed time. However, like I said, for the money and the size, I would say it is pretty decent. Then you've got your little makeup side or get ready with, style your hair side. So that's there. You got your teas and coffees as well. So, that was also refreshed pretty regularly. Regularly. I can't say that word now. That's bad. A couple of cups. Got the kettle as well. Spoon. And like I said, teas and coffees. Got a couple of drawers there, hair dryer was in there, ironing board and iron is in that cupboard. And again, it's not a big room, but this is not. We weren't expecting a big room because it was a comfort room. However, maybe it could have been a bit bigger. Now let's just go up to the door. I've also got a Bournemouth visuals video coming up. So if you do want to see that, feel free to subscribe. Give us a like if you liked it. Thought I'd give a little showcase of what you would expect from well, hopefully not, but in the event of a fire drill or fire situation, this is what you need to know. Memorize that. Might come in handy. And then please do not disturb if you're like me. I also like room service as well. Thank you. And now, last but not least, the bathroom. So you got your little mirror, got your sink, couple of glasses, toilet, bin, everything you sort of need. Got your shampoo pre-filled in that little box, bathtub. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys.